ओम शांति। हमारा बाबा का पुराना चैनल जिस पर सेवा चलती थी वह डिलीट हो चुका है, इसलिए अब इस नए चैनल से सेवा प्रारंभ की है। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। ओम शांति।
Om Shanti, Morning Murli, 20th January. Sweet letter of Bap Dada for sweet seed children. Essence. Sweet children, the illness of the 5 vices that you have had for half the cycle is now about to take leave. Sweet children, the illness of the 5 vices that you have had for half the cycle is now about take leave. Therefore, stay in limitless happiness. Therefore, stay in limitless happiness. Question: what one hobby should you children have, and what should you have no connection with? What one hobby should you children have, and what should you have no connection with? Answer: have the hobby of claiming your full inheritance from the Father. People have all types of hobbies. You now have to renounce all of those. You have become the children of God. You have to return home with the Father, and you must therefore forget all the things that are connected with bodies. Just feed your stomachs two chapatis and connect your intellect to the new word. Just feed your stomachs two chapatis and connect your intellects to the new word. Song: what can storms do to those whose companion is God? Om Shanti. All of you, specially beloved, unshakable Mahavir children, understand that many types of storms will come in your minds, and that calamities, illness, etc. will also come, because now that it is the pomp of the final period, Maya will punch you a great deal. Maya will punch you a great deal. Those whose intellects have firm faith know that the karmic accounts of their bodies will be settled. When you are about to recover from an illness, you feel happy that you are now going to become free from that illness. You know that there are only a few more days. You have had this illness of the 5 vices for half the cycle. It is through this that people became sinful souls like Ajamils. A very great sinner. Ajamil means a very great sinner. Only a few more days remain for such a word. These illnesses are now about to take leave. People in the world don't know these things. It is as though they have devilish intellects. They will continue to cry out in distress. You will continue to watch those events. You don't have any connection with those things. This is not a new thing. All of it has to happen. There is no need to be afraid of it. Very little time remains. The stomach only needs to be fed 2 chapatis. So your hobby now is to claim your inheritance from Baba. People have many types of hobbies. Here you must not have any hobbies. Forget all the things that are connected with bodies. We now belong to God. We have to go back with Baba, the bridegroom. The bridegroom is unique. That bridegroom is unique. He is without an image. Because he is without an image, no one can remember him properly. This is a new system. Souls have to remember God. You would not have remembered him like this for half the cycle. In the golden age, you just understand that you are souls, but you don't have any other knowledge. I, a soul, will shed a body and take another. Here they have made souls into the Supreme Soul. They say that God is omnipresent. It is as though this old world no longer exists for you. Your intellects are connected to the new world. When someone builds a new home, his intellect is removed from the old home and connected to the new home. People of so many religions now have conferences, etc. Not a single person's intellect is connected in yoga to the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. You have now found the Father who teaches you. He is Gyaneshwar, the Lord of Knowledge, and Yogeshwar, the Lord of Yoga. Ishwar means the one who teaches you to have yoga with him. Gyaneshwar means God alone has knowledge. Only he can teach you knowledge and yoga. Those who have firm faith understand that they are in this world for a short time longer. We now have to return home. Actors in a play know they are only there for a short time and they will then return home. They continue to look at their watches, but your clock is unlimited. Your clock is unlimited. You know that this is your final birth. Therefore, you should experience great happiness that you are going to shed those old bodies and become prince or princess of the world. That your mama and baba will also become a princess and prince. So you children have to race very well. You children have to race very well and claim a number at the front in the rosary of victory. If anyone were to ask Baba, Baba would tell you. Baba would tell him, your activity is such that it seems you will definitely be close in the rosary of victory. You yourself would also know to what extent you will pass. Some think that they will never pass. Even though I am Baba's child and I have surrendered everything and I am sitting in Baba's lap, if I don't imbibe anything, I will not receive a high status. I will not receive a high status. Those who live at home with their families and do service can claim a better status than those who live here. It is also seen that they are going very fast. By coming to stay with Baba, there is more benefit. Clouds come to the ocean, fill themselves, and then go everywhere to shower. The Murli is sent everywhere. You listen to the Murli and then also read it to others. Those who do a lot of service claim a good status. This requires effort. If you don't make any effort here, you will fall. If you don't make any effort here, you will fall. Everything depends on your efforts. So check your own pulse. Check your own pulse. You can understand what status you will claim by the effort you make. If you don't make effort now and claim a high status, that will be your status every cycle. This is an unlimited drama. You have received unlimited intellects. There is a great pleasure in knowing the beginning, the middle, and end of the drama. However, the storms of Maya are such that they make you do one wrong thing or another. Maya conquers very good children. As you progress further, there will be greater expansion and your name will be glorified. Religious conferences now take place in Delhi. A very good intellect is needed to be able to explain at conferences. There has to be very good correspondence beforehand. The heads of the conference first have a small committee meeting and then they have a larger conference. All the facilities are arranged for the Pope, etc. in advance. This one also thinks about conferences a great deal. Very good, intelligent children are needed at such conferences to go and to explain to those who are very sensible. So, first of all, take up the accept of who the head is. First of all, take up the accept of who the head is. Baba has come. Before this, no one knew about the deity religion. You are now happy that the head of the deity religion does exist. You are now happy that the head of the deity religion does exist. Those who are mature in knowledge feel they can now say to those people, tell us which is the most elevated of all religions. Which is the most elevated of all religions, that religion should be made the head. You BKs are the heads of everyone. Baba is saying, you BKs are the heads of everyone, so you are bird mothers. You have the status of mothers. It is shown that the Kumaris shot arrows at Bhisham, Pitama, etc. So everyone has to come in front of you Kumaris. You have to explain who the highest on high is. They will then understand that the notion of omnipresence is false. Notion of omnipresence is false. You are now on battlefield. It is not a new thing for you to give the father's introduction. Very good children have the intoxication of having played their part numerous times. This old world is now to end. Those old bodies have to shed. Those old bodies have to be shed and you will then play your parts afresh. Your intellects have now become broad and unlimited. Those old costumes now have to be shed and you will then take new costumes for 84 birth. This should always remain in your intellects. Every actor should be aware of his part. Every actor should be aware of his part. So you have taken 84 births and played your parts. The play is now to end. The play is now to end. This costume too is now almost worn out. The word is also Tamopradhan. When our kingdom has been established, destruction will begin. We will go and become the masters of the world in our next birth. Those who study here also receive something in this birth. Those who study here also received something in this birth. You have now remembered that you will go and take birth to deities and then to warriors. Let this knowledge trickle into your intellects, for only then will your mercury of happiness remain high. Such things will continue to be churned by the intellect of those of you who are good effort makers. Baba has explained that you have to perform actions. You have to perform actions. You then have to increase your chart of remembrance. Night time is a very good time for this. There is no tiredness in this. If you are unable to stay in this stage all the time, then when storms come, they tire you. Storms come against your conscious wish. They will tire you. However, if you continue to remember the Father and continue to extract topics, your heads will become full of knowledge. Your heads will become full of knowledge. It is Baba's experience that many storms come. The more powerful you become, the more Maya tries to make you fall. This is a law. The father says Maya is very strong because she is now losing her kingdom and so she will create many storms. Don't afraid of her. If anything happens to your body, that is the suffering of karma. You must not choke over that. Those are your final bodies. Very little time remains. By remembering this, you remain happy. At this time, you are the ones who have the highest status in the drama because you have come into the lap of the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. Among you too, no one is as fortunate as those who are good effort makers. This happiness from God is also very elevated. This happiness from God is also very elevated. You can explain that Bharat was heaven. It is an imperishable land and there were no other religions at that time. They came later. When the Sun dynasty kingdom passed, it then became the Moon dynasty. No one knows the history and geography of that. You now know it. You now know it. There no one knows there will be the silver age after the golden age, and that when there are 2 degrees less, that happiness also decrease. If you were aware of this knowledge in the golden age, you would continue to choke inside. Your consciousness would bite you that you are to come down again. You would not enjoy your kingdom. You would not enjoy your kingdom. Here too, some say they will become the masters of the heaven, but they will then have to come down again. However, there you still have the happiness of having received the kingdom. So Baba is now making you Trikaldarshi. Even Lakshmi and Narayan, who are the masters of heaven, are not Trikaldarshi. It is only at the confluence age that the Father comes and gives each of you a third eye of knowledge and makes you Trikaldarshi. Why are the deities given all of those ornaments? Why are the deities given all of those ornaments? Because it is their final stage. Brahmans continue to rise and fall. How could they be given the ornaments? It would not seem right. This is such a wonderful secret in the drama. Only Brahmans are the spinner of the discus of self-realization. Only through this knowledge do you become deities. So at this time you are spinners of the discus of self-realization. Those with the third eye of knowledge and the seers of the 3 aspects of time. These are your titles. These are your titles. All of these things have to be understood and then explained. So first of all, give the Father's introduction. First of all, give the Father's introduction. What is your relationship with the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul? His name is God, the Father. So you would not say that God, the Father, is omnipresent. No, He is the Father. We even write, what is your relationship with the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul? Since you say Supreme Father, He must definitely be the Father. How could the Father be omnipresent? How could the Father be omnipresent? You receive the inheritance from the Father. The Father is the creator of the new world. Lakshmi and Narayan receive the inheritance of the new world. Their deities don't need a third eye of knowledge. A third eye would definitely be given through Brahma. A third eye would definitely be given through Brahma. The explanation of the Trimurti is so good. So you have to explain it in a very entertaining way. Those who are clever masters would have the practice of explaining it. Day by day, it will become very easy to explain anyone. What is the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul to you? They would say that He is their Father. The Father is the creator of the new world. There was kingdom of the deities in the golden age. They would definitely have received this property from the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. They study Raj Yoga and attain their kingdom. So we are all BKs. We are all BKs. Explain to anyone. Explain to anyone. Oh, you say father of people, and so he is your father. Is he not? That one, Shiva is also the father. So you are Brahma Kumars and Kumaris. We are claiming our inheritance from Dada. You are not doing that. Come and understand this. Make effort and you too will receive it. Make effort and you too will receive it. Brahma, the father of people, and the word mother are the two main ones. The inheritance you receive is the Lakshmi and Narayan status. Lakshmi and Narayan status, everything is explained to you children in many ways. When you children go to big conferences, your name will be glorified. Our is an accept of knowledge, whereas everyone else is an accept of devotion. We have the authority of knowledge to question anyone. However, even those who are to understand don't understand that quickly. They continue to go into unnecessary expansion. If they were to understand, they would lose their prestige. It is written that the Kumaris conquered Bhisham Pitama. This has to happen. This part of the drama is definitely fixed. Acha. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost, and now found children, love, remembrance, and good morning from the mother, the father, Bap Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children, and we spiritual children says Namaste, good morning to our sweetest spiritual father. Essence for dharana. First, in order to come into the rosary of victory, do service like Mama and Baba. Do service like Mama and Baba. Imbibe the Murli and then relate it to others. Let your behavior be very royal. Second, understand this unlimited drama with your broad and unlimited intellect and experience limitless happiness. Don't be afraid of storms. Keep your intellect full by churning knowledge. Today's blessing, feel Baba's hand on your head and take blessing. May you be full of good wishes and experience the awake stage by finishing all opposing feelings. May you be full of good wishes and experience the awake stage by finishing all opposing feelings. The basis of the flying stage or the falling stage in life is two things. The basis of the flying stage or the falling stage in the life is two things: feelings and intention. Having benevolent feelings for everyone, feeling of being loving and cooperative, feeling of increasing courage and enthusiasm, feelings of soul consciousness and feelings of belonging. These are all good wishes. Those who have such feelings can stabilize in the awake stage. If your feelings oppose these, gross feelings will pull you. The main reason for obstacles are those opposing feelings. Slogan: Maya is a paper tiger in front of those who have the company of the Almighty Authority Father. Maya is a paper tiger in front of those who have the company of the Almighty Authority Father. Om Shanti. Experience the stage of being merged in love. Whomever you love, you would do for them something they like. The father does not like the children getting upset. So never say, "What can I do?" Never say, "What can I do? The situation was like that, which is why I got upset." Even if an upsetting situation comes in front of you, don't allow your stage to get upset. Don't allow your stage to get upset. Om Shanti. Thank you.